Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and today we're going to talk about using a combination lock. I know for many of us it's a pretty basic item, but we actually pay attention to what people are searching for online, and this keeps coming up. Now, this is your basic standard issue combination lock that you can find at your Ace Hardware store, and it's pretty easy. When you take it out of the package, on the back, you're going to see the actual combination. On this particular one, it's 32-5-33. So you're going to want to take that sticker or maybe write this down on your smartphone somewhere so you remember how to use it. From there, it's all about turning the dial one way, turning it the other, and turning it back again to get it to open up. Let me show you how it's done. All right, 32-5-33 is our combination. So you need to turn to the right or clockwise 3 times and stop on 32. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. That's 32. Now we're going to go to the left twice on 5, and we're going to land on 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, there's 5, and now we're going to go directly to 33. We're going to turn, come to 33, and then we're going to grab our lock, and it unlocks. Now, to lock it, we push it back in, spin it, and the lock is locked. And that's it. All you have to do is remember the number, and it's easy to use a combination lock like this. But if you want to avoid forgetting the number, think about a BenjiLock that you can find at your participating Ace store. It uses fingerprint recognition to open up the lock. We'll put a link to a video to show you how to use that lock. Now, if you need more help, just go to your local Ace Hardware store, and you can always go to our website, acehardware.com. Ace is the helpful place.